Addressing every question being thrown at him, actor-comedian Rajpal Yadav has been very vocal ever since he got bail in a 2012 check bounce case. But his fans were in for a surprise when he recently slammed Sonu Sood, who happens to be one of the first people to have extended his support to Yadav when he was in jail. According to reports, in an interaction with Screen, Yadav opened up about the support he has received from the film industry and responded to Sonu Sood's recent comment about offering him work. Responding to Sood's remark, Yadav made it clear that he has never been short of work, adding that cinema is his passion and that work has been a constant companion of his throughout his career. His comments come weeks after Sonu Sood publicly supported Yadav amid his financial and legal crisis following the actor's surrender at Tihar jail. Sood had taken to social media to offer Yadav a film and a signing amount and had also urged the film industry to stand by him. Yadav had also recently hit back at filmmaker Priyadarshan, who had suggested that his legal troubles were linked to poor education. Reacting sharply, Yadav said this is completely wrong. Priyanji doesn't know me. Even the biggest of stalwarts land in trouble at some point, but that has nothing to do with their education. However, the actor had nothing but praise for Priyadarshan when it came to their working relationship. In a recent interview with Zoom, Yadav reflected warmly on his frequent collaborations with filmmakers Priyadarshan, David Dhawan and Ram Gopal Verma. He revealed that he has worked in nearly 50 films collectively with these three directors. Yadav will next be seen in the Akshay Kumar starrer Bhoot Bangla, directed by Priyadarshan, which is slated for a theatrical release on April 10, 2026. These conversations come days after Yadav was granted interim bail on February 17 in a check bounce case amounting to approximately Rs 9 crore, with relief valid until March 18, 2026. The case dates back to 2010 when Yadav and his wife reportedly borrowed around Rs 5 crore to finance his directorial venture Ata Pata Lapata. But the film underperformed commercially, and that's when the financial troubles started. What do you think of Rajpal Yadav's reaction? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to Shosha for more such entertaining updates from Bollywood.